How to set up iPhone without Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up any iPhone without an Apple ID. So let's get started. First, as you have to start by powering on your iPhone. After you turn your iPhone on and choosing your language and region, connect to the Wi-Fi or you can connect your mobile data. After you connect and setup will start until you reach the Apple ID login. Here is the trick like tap on the option forget password or don't have Apple ID. After you tap on that, choose for the options like setup later in settings. After you do this, you will be able to start your iPhone without an Apple ID and your iPhone will still work but you won't be able to download apps from the App Store like you can access your iCloud, find my phone and backup from your iPhone and you can always sign into your Apple ID later from settings at the top of your screen. After you tap on that, you'll be able to log into your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.